Black smoke from your diesel exhaust means your engine isn't burning fuel properly. It's not normal, and it's wasting your money on fuel while potentially damaging your engine. Here are the 5 most common causes and how to fix them. Black smoke is unburned fuel particles coming out of your exhaust. Your diesel engine mixes fuel and air in a specific ratio, then burns it completely. When that balance gets disrupted, you get incomplete combustion and black smoke instead of clean burning. Let's look at the 5 main culprits behind this problem. Number 1, dirty or clogged air filter. Your engine needs massive amounts of clean air to burn fuel properly. A dirty air filter is like trying to breathe through a pillow. It restricts airflow into your engine, creating a rich fuel mixture that can't burn completely. Most people forget about their air filter until their engine is already struggling. Check it every few months, especially if you drive in dusty conditions. A new air filter costs $20 but can save you hundreds in fuel costs and prevent engine damage. Number 2, faulty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray precise amounts of diesel into your combustion chamber at exactly the right moment. When they start failing, they lose that precision. Some get stuck open and flood the chamber with fuel. Others develop poor spray patterns that don't mix well with air. Bad injectors create fuel puddles instead of the fine mist your engine needs for clean burning. This is one of the more expensive fixes, but ignoring it leads to much worse problems down the road. Number 3, worn or damaged turbocharger. Your turbocharger forces extra air into the engine, allowing it to burn more fuel efficiently. When the turbo starts failing, it can't provide enough air pressure for proper combustion, especially when you're accelerating or under load. Common turbo problems include worn bearings, damaged compressor wheels, or boost leaks in the system. Without proper boost pressure, your engine runs rich and produces black smoke. Number 4, carbon buildup in the combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits accumulate on your pistons, valves, and combustion chamber walls. These deposits change the chamber's shape and volume, disrupting the precise fuel and air mixing your engine was designed for. Carbon buildup is usually the result of poor maintenance, low-quality fuel, or incomplete combustion over many miles. Once it starts, it creates a cycle where poor combustion leads to more carbon deposits. Number 5, clogged EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation valve recycles some exhaust gas back into your engine to reduce emissions. But this system collects soot and carbon over time. When the EGR valve gets clogged, it can't control exhaust flow properly. A stuck EGR valve throws off your engine's entire breathing system. It can cause too much exhaust gas to enter the intake or prevent proper exhaust recirculation, both of which lead to poor combustion and black smoke. How to fix these problems? Start with the easiest and cheapest fixes first. Replace your air filter if it's dirty. This takes 5 minutes and costs almost nothing compared to other repairs. For the more complex issues, get proper diagnosis from a diesel specialist. Don't guess which component is failing, because replacing the wrong part wastes money and doesn't solve the problem. Fuel injector problems usually require professional cleaning or replacement. Turbocharger issues need expert diagnosis to determine if you need repairs or replacement. Carbon cleaning requires special equipment and procedures. EGR valve problems might need cleaning or replacement, depending on how badly clogged they are. Prevention saves money. Most of these problems develop slowly over time. Regular maintenance prevents them from happening in the first place. Change your air filter regularly. Use quality diesel fuel with good detergent additives. Follow your engine service schedule for fuel system cleaning and EGR maintenance. Don't ignore early warning signs. Light black smoke during acceleration might just need an air filter. Heavy constant smoke usually means multiple problems that will cost more to fix the longer you wait. Black smoke always indicates something wrong with your engine's combustion process. Whether it's a simple maintenance issue or a serious component failure depends on identifying the specific cause and addressing it quickly. The 5 causes we covered account for most black smoke problems in diesel engines. Fix them early and your engine will run cleaner, more efficiently, and last much longer.